Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English SH. Today's episode is something many people secretly struggle with but rarely talk about: learning how to be happy alone.
Yes, and it's a topic that touches almost everyone. Even in a world filled with people, noise, and connection, so many of us feel a quiet emptiness inside.
You know what's strange? We're surrounded by messages, notifications, and people. Yet the moment everything goes silent, many of us feel uncomfortable.
Absolutely, it's because we've never really learned how to sit with ourselves. We run behind distractions, behind people, behind expectations, anything that keeps us from facing our own thoughts.
And society doesn't help either. It often makes us think that if you're alone, something is wrong with you, like being single or living by yourself is a failure.
But in reality, solitude is not a failure. It is a powerful phase of growth, a space where we meet ourselves, without filters, without masks, without noise.
When someone first starts spending time alone, it can feel heavy. Silence feels loud. Thoughts feel overwhelming.
Yes, but slowly that silence becomes a teacher. It tells you what you really need, what deeply hurts you, and what truly makes you happy.
You begin to notice small things: the taste of morning coffee, the warmth of sunlight, the comfort of your own room.
And those little moments start feeling beautiful, even if no one else is there to witness them.
Another reason people struggle with loneliness is expectations. We expect people to always stay. We expect them to understand. We expect them to make us happy.
And when they don't, it breaks us. But imagine expecting less from others and more from yourself.
That's when real inner strength begins. Because relying on others for happiness is like building a house on water. It can collapse anytime.
There's a quote I love: "Expectation is the root of all heartache."
And when we release expectations, we feel lighter, freer, and more peaceful.
People think being strong alone means never feeling weak, but that's not true.
Real strength is standing even when the silence scares you. Real strength is choosing yourself every day.
It's waking up alone, making your coffee, working on your dreams, not to impress someone, not to prove anything, but because you deserve that effort.
And it's the small habits that slowly transform your life. Reading, walking alone, journaling your thoughts, meditating for a few minutes, listening to music that heals you.
These small actions teach you that you don't need constant validation to feel alive.
Happiness doesn't always come from big achievements. Sometimes it's hearing the sound of rain, watching the sky turn golden, cooking a meal for yourself, breathing deeply in silence.
Yes, life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. It just needs you to be present.
And the more present you are, the more you realize that moments alone are not empty, they're peaceful.
When you learn to be happy alone, you stop chasing people.
You stop forcing connections. You stop begging for attention. You stop proving your worth.
You start choosing relationships from peace, not fear.
And there comes a moment when you realize you don't need someone to complete you. You just need someone who respects the person you already are.
To everyone listening, if you feel alone today, don't run away from it. Sit with it. Understand it. Let it teach you.
Sometimes loneliness is not the ending you think it is. Sometimes it is the beginning of knowing yourself truly and deeply.
Happiness isn't something you find in someone else's arms.
It's something you build inside your own soul.
And once you build it, no one can take it away.
So today, take a walk alone. Look at the sky. Notice something small. Smile for no reason.
Listen to your own heart. You're not lonely. You're learning to enjoy your own company.
And that, my friends, is the most powerful relationship you will ever have. The relationship with yourself.
Thank you for spending your time with us here on Mr. English SH.
Until next time, be gentle with yourself, be patient with your heart, and learn to be beautifully, peacefully alone.